Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nabri Love. I am extremely tired. That's why I'm filming my intro in the car, because when I get back home I'm KOing. But today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm making my own meme shirt. Y'all know who New York is from Flavor of Love.
I have one up on everyone in the house, if not more.
Bitch, let me tell you something.
See, I'm not listening, so it doesn't matter.
You know what? Shut the up
Ain't
with
nobody
your weak
listening.
ass.
Ain't nobody weak.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Not you. You can choke.
But I think I did really good on it. And then I also did my hair, so it'll be a tutorial on that as well with the bubble ponytails. Yes, stay tuned to see how I did everything. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, y'all, so this is the meme that I'm going to put on my shirt. Y'all already know who New York is. So I got this shirt from Amazon. I'm just going to iron it first so it's not wrinkled, and then I'm just going to cut the excess from around the picture, and then I'll show you the next step from there. Y'all, so this is the, okay, didn't even know my flash was gonna come on. This is the picture. So I'm thinking about cutting it into a crop top, because like I said, I got this from Amazon and it's a men's shirt, but I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna look because the picture came out like a bit small. So I may cut it into a crop top. I'll just try it on at the end and see how it looks. But yes, so now I'm gonna wrap it in saran wrap, and I'm gonna show you how I do that.
Beats by Rafid.
Parchment paper over the picture after it's been saran wrapped. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. 1 second. Just got some parchment paper from Publix. So now I'm about to iron it, and I'm gonna try to show you guys and set up the camera so you guys can see. So yeah. Okay, during this part you want to just iron on medium to high heat, paying close attention to the edges, and just make sure you go over the picture a couple of times before you peel the parchment paper off. And just like that, it did it. It looks good. It got a little marks on it, but I'm pretty sure it'll dry and do its thing. But yeah, it looks good. Okay. All right, hey y'all. I just got out the shower. I washed and blow dried my hair. Don't take me down in the comments with the hair color because it's faded now. I'm ready to, you know, dye my hair back black because this is not, yeah, it's not where it's at. It's like giving me fucking Bride of Chucky. Anyways, I'm about to now style my hair. I got this bundle hair from my local beauty supply store. It's 30 inches. Now that I have it straight as it's gonna get, basically, I'm taking out my edges. So basically edge control those down so they don't be in my way, so I can style my hair. I'm using the Mary's Edge Wax. This is okay, like, I don't know. It's all right. It's all I have right now, so I'm not about to waste no money on nothing else. It looks so ugly right now. I'm just doing this so it's out of my way. What if I really went outside like this? Hideous. Anyways.
Beats by Rafid.
Aw, I look 12. No. I just braided the 2 ponytails. I'm not gonna turn around because it's probably gonna be embarrassing. Like, I told y'all I don't got no mirror, so keep calm. But anyways, I'm about to do my edges right now. Like I said, I'm still using the Murray's Edge Wax. So yeah, I'm just gonna time lapse this because y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do edges. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I did one side. I just gotta put my scarf on so my edges and stuff can lay down. Then I just added a little scrunchie. I bought these scrunchies from what is it called, Shein. So I'm about to do the other side. I'm gonna just time lapse it. I just want to make sure I knew what I was doing before, you know. So yeah, so basically I just added the braid right here. I'm gonna take this and then just add a bobby pin. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Add a bobby pin to the weft and then just wrap it around my braid. Put it on top of the weft like this. Get your braid. Get your braid. And then stick it right through the braid. And then just twist it. Okay, after you twist the hair all the way up your braid, you just want to wrap the base around by using the Got to Be Free spray. So you just want to spray that and then wrap it around the base.
Beats by Rafid.
Then what you want to do is just use your blow dryer to make sure everything is secured and flat. Y'all, this is the finished look of the pigtails, me forming them. Don't cover my edges because like the Murray's Edge Wax just didn't do me justice. I don't like that formula and it's tacky, it turns white. It's just a no-go for me. Okay, after I formed my pigtails, I just did the bubble ponytail method, and all you're doing is wrapping around rubber bands and just scrunching out the hair, and just make sure each side is even, like the rubber bands are lined up. Y'all, first of all, today has been quite a day because I had to work early in the morning, had to be there at 5, and then I hurry up and rushed home and tried to get ready to put out content because I feel like I've been slacking. But never let your job, school, anything stop you from chasing your dreams, and that's on period. We going places, you feel me? So I gotta stay up and do what I need to do, stay on my grind, and I encourage you to do the same. But I have the scrunchies on my hair that come from Shein, and then I have this one that's on my wrist as well from Shein. They came in the pack. I'll also link that down below. Lashes from Amazon, shirt from Amazon. I got these sweats from Shein as well, and then I also just have on my, this is so ghetto, like anyways, I just have my gold Adidas on, so yeah. But it's like a little cute little chill fall outfit. So also like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed, you will hate, you know the rest. But yeah, subscribe to my channel, guys. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.